This video tutorial I will explain API documentation. In API documentation, we can see what are the different endpoints are available and what are the different resources are available. And to access different endpoints, what are the different HTTP methods we have to use and what format the client has to send information to the server and what format the server will send information to the client. These information will be available in the API documentation. REST API documentations are mostly informal and REST API documents comes in HTML or PDF documentation or Postman collection, which is collection of JSON files which we can import in Postman and use it, or Postman documentation or Swagger documentation or standard specifications like OpenAPI or RAML. We will see some examples now. Here you can see GitHub Jobs API, and this documentation is in HTML format. And here they have given endpoint, and here they have provided explanation about the endpoint. And like that, you can see different endpoints and how to use it. I will take one of this endpoint. Click on send in Postman client, and here I got the output. Here you can see Swagger documentation, which is related to pet store. And this is Swagger UI interface. And here you can see different resources like pet, store, user, etc. And here you can see the different endpoints and what HTTP method we have to use. That is defined here. And if you see this endpoint /pet, which is used to add the new pet to the store. Expand this, and here you can see what information we have to send from client to the server and in what format, JSON format or XML format. And the response we want in JSON format or XML format, that is defined here. Suppose you want to try it out, click on try it out, and here you can edit the values, say cat. Click on execute, and here you can see the response we got 200, which is successful, and the pet cat is created, and here is the ID. This is how we can use Swagger documentation and use the API which is mentioned in the Swagger documentation. Next, we will see the example of Postman documentation. Search for COVID-19 Postman documentation in Google and open this link. And we got COVID-19 related Postman documentation. Click on Run in Postman. Click on Import. And here all the API endpoints are imported. Click on Summary. To send request to the server, we need a base URL. And here you can see the base URL. Copy this. And we have to pass this X access token to the server. Copy this value, click on header and pass the access token. Click on send and here we got the output. Click on this countries. This is the next API. Copy this base URL. Click on send and here we got the output. This is about Postman API documentation and how to use Postman API documentation. Suppose we want to find API documentation which are public. Then what we have to do is in Google search for service name plus API. For example, Twitter is the service name, then plus API. We will see that. Here Twitter is the service name plus API. When you search, we got API documentation for Twitter. Here you can see. And another example is GitHub jobs. And here we got API documentation of GitHub jobs. You can get Java source code link from the description of the video. In mobile, to see the description, click on this icon. It will expand like this and here you can see the description. It contains Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.